Rick at that.
It's my straight towel here, I'm not gonna lie. My favorite towel ever. Very, very nice towel. It works very good. I only need one. And after I wipe off the front half of the car, I only need about one more towel for the rest of the car. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Dregatsby. It's gonna be a fire video. Make sure you sit back, relax. Make sure you watch the full video too. Hit that post notification bell, leave a like, subscribe, man. It's finna be fire. Let me know what y'all think of content like this. I couldn't be more grateful, dog. We finna go crazy today. You ever be like driving and see somebody behind you and they be like low-key looking like they're being impatient, and then you check your speed limit and be like, bro, I'm not even driving this.
About none if it ain't about being frank, yeah.
Y'all, so check this out real quick. I don't know if y'all knew this or not, but I actually have some different color lug nuts, y'all. Dyno fit wheel accessories. Appreciate y'all for the package. These are all black, bro. Check this out. Look at this, bro.
Talk to her, bitch,
We
she
just
drunk.
go, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I wanna take her shopping. Damn, I wanna buy her a Benz.
They fit. They fit, y'all. Trust the process. What y'all think it is? Black lug nuts instead of silver to match the SRT rim. Even though the scat badge is silver, that's cool. Bang. I think black would look even crazier just to set off the whole aesthetic. But then we gotta go black forged carbon hood if we swap out the lug nuts. If y'all want an installation video of the black lug nuts on the 392 Scat, let me know down below. This video would be good for the people that want to know how to change tires, how to change the lug nuts, how to swap them out if they get warped, things like that. If you just want a new modification, this video will be crazy, and this video will be extremely valuable to y'all. Let me know what y'all think about that idea. Y'all got some fire ideas. Y'all been going crazy on the YouTube shorts. Y'all been slowly tapping in with the long form videos, bro. And like Kanye say, so amazing, so amazing. I was looking at this lug nut, bro, and twins say I might be chopped cheese, gang.
Small as hell.
Yo, let me know what y'all think about these new lug nuts, bro. I think that'll be a fire video. But we about to continue cooking up this current vlog, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Go wash your hands, brush your teeth, egg lightning. Thanks, buddy. Hey, put the infinity in the chat. Dude, you're amazing. I love your car. I love your car. Hey, y'all, this some Fast and the Furious. Oh, snap, yo. All right, y'all, so what we're about to do is we're about to line up next to this Porsche. I think it's a Porsche 911. I really like the Porsche GT3 RSs, though. Let me know what y'all think about this 911, though. We're just going to do a side-by-side, bro. I want to see how that Go Mango looks next to this. I want to say that's Destroyer Gray, bro. Shout out my cousin Tyrone with the Destroyer Gray wide-body Hellcat. He sold it and got a freaking red eye or some shit like that. I don't know, but this show looks crazy. As you can tell, it's actually just a GT3 Touring. Didn't know the Tourings look that good. And they honestly neck and neck with the Porsche GT3 RS. And we got the Go Mango Scat right here, 2020 Skull Scat, man. You see what I'm saying?
Dear Bruce, I need to be honest and clear.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we are actually en route to Valvoline so I can get my oil changed because it's about time. And luckily, we're shooting a video showing what it actually costs to own a fast car. You see what I'm saying? So, just so y'all don't always think it's all fun and games, you just drive fast, shit, get all the girls, and yeah, but you gotta maintain it too. You see what I'm saying? Check out this nice sticker I got after purchasing my Glock. I love my car, so I want to just take care of it, you know. I cherish God the most, though, so yeah. This is just an additional video that I'm bringing to the channel, and I'm happy about it. Dang, that was a nice little railroad track, dog. What the heck? Hopefully they're not too busy to do my oil change, and I go to Valvoline to get my oil change. So yeah, let's go get our oil change real quick, guys. Peace out. Yes, sir. That's how we doing it, baby. Turn off this AC. I believe I've been here before, actually. Valvoline, it's the oil change. Let's get it. I'm gonna just go right here since I'm already right here. I had that Impala over there before. Nice little Jeep Grand Cherokee right there. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all how we looking on the outside of here. Damn, it's hot, bro. I got this big old freaking, like, shit is crazy how hot it is out here. It's actually not bad. It could be a lot worse, but. So I'm actually getting an oil change on this car. You guys close at what time? Well, we're not streaming. You're not live. Yeah. But you guys have room for a Challenger to get an oil change or no?
Yeah, of course.
Say that.
What?
You look familiar. Have I been here before, bro?
Have you? I feel like I've seen your car.
I think so, bro.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just came to get a quick oil change, bro. So if y'all can squeeze me in, that would be great.
Yeah, I got you. Do you want to come for that middle thing right here?
For sure.
And then we'll get you in the shoulder.
For sure, bro. Thank you. Yeah. So we about to get active, guys. We're gonna pull over to that bay right there for a quick oil change. And I guess they have some room for us, so we finna get active. All right, YouTube, I just got my oil life reset, baby. We lit, man. That feels good to be able to not only invest into my car's health, but also just, you know, cherish that, you know, because it ain't easy being able to, you know, maintain these cars, bro. I know, I understand. That's why I'm here making this video for y'all right now. And with that being said, oil change is definitely very important. I know for a fact that, you know, routine transmission checks is very important. That'll be the next thing. I got the oil change taken care of. I'm gonna actually bring brakes are very important. Do not forget that. So oil change, key. Transmission routine checks, key. I just paid $134 for my oil change, and that's a hell of a deal. The faster the car, the more expensive the car, the more expensive that the oil change will be, bro. And that's just keeping it completely honest. So I would say you should get used to this, bro. You should get used to this while you are, you know, practicing with smaller engine block cars, you know, 5.7, 6.2, things like that. You just want to be mindful of, you know, keeping up with that stuff, bro, because you're still gonna have to do it when you go to faster cars. So I'm not gonna do any pulls right now because I want to make sure that I preserve my car as much as possible. I made a new video today. I don't typically need a lot of like transmission oil changes for, so transmission is very important, but I haven't had any crazy transmission videos. But I do know for a fact that on the next time that I do need oil change, I'm gonna go and grab a oil change from like myself. I'm gonna do it myself and bring it to y'all. Nice little Tesla driving past this, and that'll be fire because I could teach some of my subs how to change their oil if they don't already know. I know I took a while for me to learn, and that's okay. So that's why we here for it. Not only are we entertaining, we're gonna be able to provide tutorials, how-tos, DIYs, things like that, just to save you guys money. You know, you guys are paying me with the kindness of your attention. You dig? So no, my nigga leaking coolant. Yeah, that's coolant. That's what that smell was. That's what that smell was. Smell like ass, like burnt ass. Pop the hood. You didn't pop that. Oh! I'm hoping your cap just came loose. Did you click it? Tight on the ear. That's the windshield wiper. This is your coolant right here. Right here? Yeah. You can't open it, it's too hot. Yeah, it's about halfway too. It's about halfway. You don't got no codes? Nah. But I gotta get that active exhaust so we can. That's the only thing, yeah, that's right. You feel me? Yeah. Guys, I noticed this little pink residue. It does seem like it's coming from the coolant reservoir, and it does not look like it has any in there, but it's coming from this side, so it probably poured down and then travel out of that area. Good.
Hot. The fuck? Yo, I touched my elbow on it, bro. That shit hot as fuck.
This nigga got going up.
It looks like you got some. You see it right there?
Oh yeah.
That's pink. It's moving.
It's moving.
It's moving.
Too, yeah.
So, but that's weird, bro. Because where's the leak coming from? Can you look underneath?
So, if we was parked right here, we was backed in. It looked like it came from that side, yeah, bro.
This side, right?
Yeah.
But it's dry up here, and it's dry on the bottom, gang. Unless you see anything. Oh, I see some wetness right there.
Hold up.
On
Let's
that
do
side,
this.
look a little wet.
Let me take off this.
That's just a cover. I'm not gonna use it.
But what if it came from? What if it came from the actual?
So
you know the.
This takes the coolant from down here. There's a hose that brings it up here, and it processes it through here. This is your water pump in front of your car.
Got you. So it shouldn't be from
Feeds
that.
it into the engine and shit, whatever, to keep it cool.
It shouldn't be from that
I
because we
don't
would have
see
seen some wetness.
Yeah,
coming
you
from
would
here.
have seen some wetness on the outskirts or somewhere. But the smell, it smelled like it was leaking onto the engine.
Oh, you see this?
That could have been. That's not from the rain. Is it pink? Hold on. Smell like.
It smell like that, don't it?
I can't tell.
No, it's dry. It don't smell. It smell like just water or
There'd
something.
be more. There'd be more. Unless this is not tight enough.
Engine oil.
I don't think it was tight enough, gang. I think your shit got too hot. With
For
the
real?
jerking, yeah. Yeah, that's what it was.
And it poured out.
And it poured out.
But how would it dry up so fast though? Like it should be at least still.
Because your engine is hot as fuck, and you see it touch. This shit is like
You're
a
right.
million degrees, gang.
Damn.
You need to clean this right here.
Clean the take.
You need to
intake?
just open. And when it rains,
Yeah.
look what happened when it rained. You didn't know this. Not a lot of people did. You see that right there? You see that right there?
Yeah.
That's
That water gets right
getting
into the-
sucked. That could be getting sucked right into
Oh.
your intake manifold. Yeah, a lot of people didn't know that. That's why you gotta clean these. You gotta make sure when it's raining and shit.
It can get right through there.
Well, I don't know what would happen if water gets in there. To be honest, I'm not a car expert, but I know.
Ah, nah, I'm good, boss. I appreciate that though, man. Hey, you have a good rest of your day, man. Thank you so much. That was kind of him, bro. He didn't have to ask that.
Wait, did he think we were stealing the car?
Nah, he said, do we need to jump?
They got a Honda. Did you see what this is? Big Tonka, nigga. Ain't no jump. Oh, yeah, nigga. Appreciate it, bro, though. That was kind. I think that was it, gang.
Yeah.
That was it. This.
That shit was definitely, wow, bro.
Yeah, because it just like.
All that rambling and shit, like unloosened it.
Probably, and then with the pressure and shit, it made it shoot up.
Shoot up.
If you open this, it'll go.
I think I seen that on a movie too. Damn. All right, y'all.
I think I seen that on the movie too. What is it?
I was watching oh yeah, I was watching Grown Ups last night, and she had opened up this coolant, and when she opened it up, it blew in her face. And what they did was, bro, she's pushing like 60 years old. They put the effect of the wind blowing in her hair. She look ugly as hell, nigga. I'm like, what the But you right though. Damn, y'all, always go check out engine bay. Just because you drive it every day don't mean that you shouldn't retighten
I mean,
up.
it's dirty. This is not supposed to be dirty in general.
Facts,
You know,
bro.
this is sucking in air into your engine, so this is like all dusty.
And
You
it-
probably have more underneath too. Oh, it's open underneath. Why'd you take the top off? Well, I know why you took the top off.
Why
So
did
to
I?
suck more air. More
I
cooler
low
air.
key, I didn't even install that, bro.
Oh, you didn't install it?
Nah, Kaden did.
Well, I mean, that's why they do it, so they can suck more cooler air. But actually, my boy, he got a Daytona. He got a Daytona, and he posted on his story. It was like raining, and he got like a hellcat hood, and it was like water pouring down into
Into
his
the intake. That's not good.
And I was
bro.
like, damn, like.
Is that safe?
You know, I don't know. If it wasn't safe, you'd know by now. You've had this on like this for a while. And it's been raining, and you've driven in the rain.
True.
The good thing is, water can't just sit here because it's open on the bottom. So whatever air is sucking, it's like sucking cold, moist. Ooh, that could be a thing.
What?
Sucking moisture into your engine. Maybe that's what it's doing. Wet air. Wet, hot air. Or it's supposed to be wet,
Sucking
cool
into
air.
the engine if this is not covered. I gotta get that covered,
I don't
bro.
know. We gotta research that, twin.
Facts.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Think we good? I'm gonna check under the car.
Low-key looking pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Yeah, it's not dripping no more either, bro.
Hey, Rick at that.
Talk to her, but she trim. I might just spend a 10. I wanna take her shopping. Damn, I wanna buy her a Benz. They seen
YouTube! Yo, we finna go grab some Starbies right now. You see, I got my computer ready to lock in for a little bit. And I was just walking and I seen this amazing 392 SRT Durango. That looks crazy. Hey, bro, that looks really good. Hey, man, nice car. Love it. Jeez. Hey, you think you gonna step on that real quick first? You don't think so? That nigga named Carl? Hey, Carl!
Paul. Ah, he's scared.
Hey, we would have stepped on it. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. So I just filled up, put some gas in a whipski. You did. What I'm about to do right now is I'm about to go pull up on my homie, and we're about to go grab the TRX. And then what we're gonna do is give y'all a review of side by side, show y'all how the big Mopar is looking. This is 6'4". Obviously, the big TRX is pushing to 6'2". I did notice yesterday that's a whole nother video coming for y'all about maintenance, what it actually costs to own one of these and keep it safe, keep it clean. You did. So I'm gonna go get in the car right now after filling up some gas. Finally, this bad boy was thirsty all day, all night. But I'll turn the camera back on when we are side by side, the TRX and the big 6'4". Let me know which one y'all like more. Me personally, the truck big as shit. I don't really like no truck, but let's hop right into this traffic, man, and let's go get this fire video, man. Let's do it, yeah. Yo, all right, I just pulled up to my dad's house. What the fuck? Twin, you good, bro? She like sneaking up on me and shit. Bro, what's up, bro? I'm vlogging right now. You gotta tell the channel what's up. You just enter bar this shit. What up? All right, guys. So,
You left yesterday?
yeah. Tight.
Where'd you go? You went back home?
Yeah. You were being mean to me last night too.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you was, bro. You was being very mean to your big brother, bro.
I wasn't.
Guys, she was being very mean to me. Instead of crying about it, I said, you know what? I'm gonna go vlog some more. Is dad inside? Bro said this car is $3,000. Stay in school, kids. Stay in school, kids.
Yeah.
What in the world is this?
That's oil when they did the oil change.
Ah, you're right.
They should be spraying it. But see this lever right here? See where it says cold fill?
Shouldn't it be able to see it move though?
Nope.
No. So we
This is
straight.
this is what we think. This is what we're thinking about.
Yeah.
Now, this is the antifreeze. this the
Zinny, what up, man?
This is the washer washer fluid. That's what we.
Him loaded over here.
Yeah, you good.
Ew, we got boogers in that junk.
Oh yeah.
What the heck?
That ain't nothing.
All right, guys, I came out, put up on my dad, and I said, hey, Dad, you know, the other day I was noticing a little bit of red drippage that y'all just seen like 20 seconds ago. And it checked it, and it looks like a pretty good level, too.
Yeah, you can see the line over here. Come around here.
But how, man, that's crazy. Like, if all of that was on the flow, how is it still this amount left?
See where it says cold fill line?
Right here?
Range? Yep.
Ah,
Hey, Scoops, I almost slapped signing contracts. I was rich before I started rapping. Had to cut ties with some niggas. They was like cancer.